कदम आगे फिर दो कदम पीछे।
हेल्थ और टेस्ट की लड़ाई में अब आप रहिए 2 कदम आगे विद फिलिप्स एयर फ्रायर। इसकी ट्विन टर्बो स्टार टेक्नोलॉजी कुक्स विद अप टू 90% लेस फैट। देयर इज ऑलवेज अ वे टू मेक लाइफ बेटर। इनोवेशन एंड यू, फिलिप्स।
Yeah, it is that last, it is that last piece for me. While Colibri gave us a beautiful side of the world, Mexico, thank you so much. It was so beautiful. Thank you for your love. It's amazing. It's more amazing when chefs who are connected, India, some way or the other, have made a contribution, spending time to record a video, a masterclass, spending time with us is we're very thankful from India to you, love to you. Moving on, the next chef is he's literally my brother and one of the most important guy in World on a Plate. Though he's a chef, a heart of gold, a man with a true vision to feed people, feed all kinds of people, but more with a heart of, like I said, the heart of gold. The whole story of the charity going online, the World on a Plate going online, rather started with this man, and he did a bunch of master classes before we did this big event, and the contributions which came along were really, really worth it. One of those contributions which I want to bring to the audience was that I remember we did a master class with this gentleman, which all of you all know, but I would want to tell his name the right time. We picked up, we picked up some donuts. It's literally more than 110 days. We picked up some donuts and we went to one of a migrant camp, and the joy to see a child who does not get a meal eating this donut blew my mind. It is something which money can't buy. This I've really had the pleasure being on ground serving people, and I would do it for the rest of my life. That's a promise. But Ranveer Brar, chef, the hunger warrior Ranveer Brar, thank you for your contribution. You are up next. The reason why you are the last but not the least chef, the most important chef, is because you're a heart of gold, and I'm looking forward to your masterclass. This is the last segment, like I said, for us, and then we go on Instagram Live. When we started World on a Plate Live, the thought of World on a Plate Live all of us, you, me, everyone around us, have been going through this pandemic. I mean, we've had the worst ever time. We've had unprecedented times in this pandemic. We're trying to figure out how to make our living sometimes. We are trying to figure out how to pay salaries, the industry is in such a bad shape. But we wanted to do something. We wanted to pick up that word of hope and move forward. And that's why we started this as a really, really small idea. And today, like I said in my last video, my heart is, in that warm space. I'm so overwhelmed by every one of you all who came and supported it. The chefs, the restaurants, the industry, people, the apartment complexes, the people who just contributed, the people who just said, "Oh, we love you." The messages we've got has made us believe that there is nothing more stronger than the power of that word called hope. And today I can confidently say that we can defeat anything together. We can be together, holding hands, and move to a better future. I want to leave all of you all with one word, and that word is hope. And thank you so much for being with me all these days. My name is Kiran Sons. I will see you soon.
Hello everybody. Welcome to WAP Goes Online. This is me, Ranveer Brar, and we are here together because we believe that together we can end hunger. Thank you. Thank you very much for all those who have gotten the do-it-yourself kits, and thank you very much for all those who have believed in charity and who've come here so that a lot of us can go to sleep with full stomachs. Come on in. Let's start this thing. So this is my kitchen. A lot of you would have seen this kitchen. And once again, for those who've joined in late, I hope you've enjoyed all the other sessions at WAP. मैं उम्मीद रखता हूँ कि 5 तारीख से 9 तारीख का जो खूबसूरत सिलसिला है, आप उस सिलसिले के मजे ले रहे हैं. You're being a part of that. You're enjoying it. And most importantly, the most important part I like to say is you're believing in the cause that we stand for. We at WAP stand for a singular cause, at least for this WAP Goes Online. We're sharing that cause with you, and that is the idea to end hunger. Today we're going to be cooking something which is very exciting and very close to my heart, and let's get started on that and keep talking as we go. So ये जो डिश है ना, बड़ी इंटरेस्टिंग इसलिए है बिकॉज आजकल हम मॉक मीट्स की बहुत बात करते हैं, और we often look towards the west or we look towards Singapore, Malaysia to tell us and teach us about mock meats, but we've always been a society which knew how to do jugaad, and this dish is an example of that perfect jugaad. So this is Ranveer Brar, and we're going to be cooking a kele ki machli, a fish which is actually not fish, it's actually raw banana, and a recipe which is at least 150 to 200 years old, from the Kayast kitchens of India of UP. Yeah? So what I have with me is some water that's boiling. I'm just going to add salt to it, and I'm just going to add the raw banana and leave it to boil. ठीक है जी? ये cover it, leave it to boil. So that is one part done. So the idea was that almost all of the Kayast community is famous for they were courtiers in Mughal courts, and they used to see all these amazing non-vegetarian dishes being made, and they used to come home and they used to say, "Arey, वो non-veg था ना, उसमें ये था, ये था, ये था, ये था. And they used to describe those dishes to their spouses at home. And the ladies used to cook it for them, albeit in a vegetarian avatar. That's because they were inherently vegetarians. So a lot of Kayasth men are always good cooks for this simple reason that all the non-veg cooking used to be done by men. The vegetarian cooking used to be done by women. And a lot of Kayasth food is this kathal, jackfruit is typically Kayasth. So bringing out the umami in vegetarian, that PhD has been done and dusted by the Kayasth community. So anyways, the elements of this dish are the machli ki gravy, which is the sauce, and the machli. मछली तो हो गई, अभी ग्रेवी की बात करते हैं, ठीक है जी. तो ग्रेवी के लिए the prep is very very simple. So we have some dahi, yogurt. Okay. Now in this dahi, I'm going to add a bunch of spices. I'm going to add turmeric. I'm going to add. This is rang wali mirch or degi mirch, as they say. This is not. And there goes the coriander powder. So this is not the spicy red chili. It's the color wali red chili. So please don't get fooled by the quantity that I'm putting here. Typically, if you use spicy chilies at home, please use lesser quantity. I use chilies at home more for color. And even in my cooking beyond home, my chilies are more for color than for kick. Yeah? And then I'm going to add just a little bit of besan. Little means really teeny weeny bit, like a quarter teaspoon, just that much, just to give it a basic rough binding, because a lot of you would be working with yogurt for the first time, and the chances are that yogurt might split, might curdle when you cook it. So this is your insurance. The yogurt splitting insurance is the besan. That is one. Also, I'd already told you to keep onions ready. So if you have your DIY kit, I'm giving you 3 minutes. Please take your onions and make a paste like I have done. In those 3 minutes, I will wait for the DIY group and I will talk to the non-DIY group. And just have a quick, small conversation about how much goodness has come out of COVID. I've always believed that we are as a race, we are kind, and we believe in kindness and we believe in humanity. However, sometimes it takes difficult times to bring out that humanity. And I have seen so much good and kindness in this world in this COVID time that made me believe that that humanity is still alive. And for a bunch of people, the hunger warriors, to have fed 500,000 people all by themselves by sheer will, guts, and for them to dream of this mobile soup kitchen, I think we need to show that goodness. We need to bring out that goodness in us one more time, and and we owe it to them. So please donate generously. Please donate for a good cause, because for us it might be a small amount of money. For somebody else, it's a week's rations. That's how wide the gap is. I'm gonna grab a matchbox, because matchbox, this has been my contribution to the home kitchen. ये गैस खराब कर दिया मैंने. मेरा कंट्रीब्यूशन बस यही है कि रणवीर घर आया, घर पे खाना बनाया और उसने अच्छी खासी चलती चलाती गैस खराब कर दी. ओके, So, chilies, and I'm assuming that you guys are back. So if the DIY kit guys are back, we are starting. You haven't missed much. Let's start. Actually, come over there. Come from the other side. थोड़ा angle में change होना चाहिए ना भाई. Yeah. थोड़ा angle change होता रहे तो अच्छा है. I'm going to roughly cut the green chili. बिल्कुल roughly हाँ. और ये green chili भी बिल्कुल mild वाली है. The light colored green chili. Yeah. The light and long green chili. It's not the sharp one. That's why I'm taking the liberty with that quantity. And ginger. That's one thing I've learned at home, you know. I've learned to appreciate working with regular knives in sort of on smaller gas ranges with lesser ingredients. That's the good that has come out for me. This COVID. I'm sure there's a lot of good that has come out for you. You know, in the Insta Live after this, we are going to be. Let's talk about that. You know, write to me. Tell me what good. What are the positives for you in this lockdown? I'd love to hear that. Let's talk about that in the Insta Live. And if you didn't know, well, immediately after this class, I'm going to go wash my face, you know, get all dolled up and talk to you live on Instagram. And that is going to be exciting. Okay. And as usual, all good things start with ghee. So we also started with ghee. So after ghee, please keep jeera ready. And the rest of the stuff ready as well. And yes, I'm just showing off my new wooden spatula. देखिए, मैं अक्सर कहता हूँ कि हंसते खेलते जो खाना बन जाए वो अच्छा है. एटलीस्ट जिन्होंने हमको काम सिखाया है उन्होंने यही सिखाया कि भाई जितनी टेंशन है ना वो बाहर ले लो. एक बार किचन की दीवार लांघ जाओ तो उसके बाद फिर टेंशन की कोई जगह नहीं है किचन में. चलो जी, घी गर्म हो गया. अभी cumin. Again, I'm sure you know you can take this recipe as far as you want. You can add some khade masale also. You can add you can add whatever you want, but I'm giving you the most basic version of this recipe, something that all of us can try, because at a time when a lot of people don't have access to basic 3 square meals a day, it is nice and ethical to eat as simple as you can. Purely my views, no endorsements. And here goes the jeera. Immediately, as soon as the jeera pops, green chili, adrak, beautiful. अभी प्याज का पेस्ट. So this is the paste of 2 medium onions. Yeah. So in this machli, you're making. I'm just coming close to you so you can hear me well. For this machli, you're not making a very thin gravy. You're making a thick masala. अभी प्याज को भूनना है, ब्राउन नहीं करना, but definitely भूनना है. You have to cook it till it is sweet. That's important. Nice. Here, let me show this to you. Here we are. Yeah, in television language we call this point of view. So right now you have my point of view, and this is how the world looks from my point of view. And in my point of view, the bananas are not ready yet. The skin needs to be dirty, green or black. That's when the bananas are done. Simple. You know, that's another thing that I've sort of started to love in this lockdown. Is just this joy of cooking live. You know, there are no cuts like television. There is no time to breathe. You have to think on your feet. You have to act on your feet, and I love it. I love it. You know, as somebody who's cooked in the industry for 25 years, मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है कि जब आपको एकदम से घोड़े पे बैठा दिया जाता है और बोला जाता है चलो रेस लगाओ. You know, cooking live is like that. ये है प्याज जो है ना, इतना ही भूनना है बस. हाँ, इससे ज्यादा नहीं भूनना पड़ेगा. We don't want a brown gravy, and this is when you add the yogurt. And the moment you add the yogurt, please make sure you start stirring immediately. जैसे ही दही डालें वैसे ही चलाएं, वरना हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि दही फटने के चांसेस वो हो जाते हैं. जैसे ही दही डालें वैसे ही चलाएं. Nice. अभी इसको भूनना है. And this is the most important part. This is an extremely important part. Let me show it to you. Here it's very, very important to make sure कि गैस तेज ना हो और धीरे धीरे धीमी धीमी आंच पे चीज भूनती रहे. Yeah, let's have a look at the bananas. Nope, they're not ready yet. Not dirty green enough, as I like to say. And here we are. And for all of you who always ask me questions about my spice boxes, yes, they're all available online. That's where I pick them up from. Beautiful. You see that? Not done yet. Done का जो सिग्नल है वो ये है कि घी छूटना चाहिए. जब तक घी नहीं छूटा तब तक हुआ नहीं. ठीक है जी. And here we go. See, this is when you do a lot of television. ये होता है, कभी मेरा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, कभी आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, और हम दोनों के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू में डिश बन जाती है जी. Almost there. Almost dirty green. Done. So my strainer for the bananas is here. और मसाले की भुनाई नहीं रुकनी चाहिए, ये भुनाई बहुत जरूरी है। इधर कोई दही नहीं फटा, कुछ नहीं हुआ, nothing happened. So at the moment you put the dahi, stir it immediately. It won't split, and even if it splits, don't worry about it. The gravy won't spoil. But क्योंकि इसमें ऑलरेडी आपने इतना प्याज डाला हुआ है ना, तो इसके लिए ग्रेवी खराब नहीं होगी। अगर दही थोड़ा बहुत फट भी गया, प्याज जो है वो ग्रेवी को संभाल लेगा। दूसरा वो हमारा शीट याद है ना आपको, बेसन, हमारा लाइफ इंश्योरेंस। So these are done. Yeah. So they go into, again in Bombay, sometimes you get plantain, sometimes you don't. Plantain is that लंबा वाला केला जो जिसके कच्चे केले में टेस्ट होता है, मिठास बिल्कुल नहीं होती, एक मीठीनेस होती है। So if you get the plantain, please get that. This is just regular unripe banana. ये रेगुलर कच्चा केला है, प्लांटेन नहीं है। अगर प्लांटेन मिलता है, लंबा वाला कच्चा केला मिलता है, तो प्लीज वो लीजिए, उसमें जो टेस्ट आएगा वो इसमें नहीं आ पाएगा। हल्का सा हिलता है तो एंड नाउ आई एम जस्ट गोइंग टू गेट द ब्रेडिंग रेडी। ठीक है जी, ब्रेडिंग के लिए बेसन, नमक और सिर्फ मिर्ची, हल्दी नहीं डालेंगे। हल्दी डालेंगे तेल खराब होगा। मिर्ची, थोड़ी हींग। सो दिस इज द कोटिंग फॉर द बनाना। Beautiful. And for everybody who's joined in late, this is Ranveer Brar and you're on WAP Online. I am live with you cooking a very, very interesting dish called Kele Ki Machli. We are all doing it for a cause, and the cause is defeating hunger. So please donate generously, because your small donation can make sure that a lot of people can go to bed with food in their stomach. All right, here we are, and now some water. Don't put all the water at once. पहले थोड़ा पानी डालें और ग्रेवी को थोड़ा और भुनने दें। जो मसाला बन रहा है ना, उसको थोड़ा और भुनने दें, उसके बाद पूरा पानी डालें। You have to give it one more chance to bhuno, na? And also we have to add the salt. So instead of dahi, you can also add tomatoes. अगर आप चाहें तो टमाटर डाल सकते हैं, दही नहीं डालनी है अगर तो। खटास के लिए है वो, it's just for sourness. So you can add either yogurt for sourness or tomato. I am a firm believer in the yogurt school of sourness more than the tomato school of sourness, because the older school is the yogurt school. Tomatoes only came to India in 1840s and only got famous much later. So इसलिए me being an old school person, I still prefer yogurt. Nice. तो जी यहाँ आ जाते हैं। I'll show you what we have. The boiled raw bananas. Beautiful. Lovely. On one side I have a saute pan. I'm just going to shallow fry the bananas in this. So again, you could use oil or ghee, whatever you'd like. I'm going to use a little bit of oil and a little bit of ghee. Mama is sneezing. This is dinner at home, huh? So whatever you are seeing is going to be consumed at home. Here. So I'm just peeling it off. Like I said, because these are not plantains, they are sort of relatively easy to peel off. अगर ये actual plantains होते थोड़ी मेहनत होती उसको छीलने में. Done? Easy peasy, no rocket science. And now we will just split these in two and let them cool a little quicker. So कायस्थ खाने की अगर हम बात करें ना, if we talk about कायस्थ food in general, like I said, their food is a sort of a PhD on umami. You know, they know how to use the ginger coriander combination for umami, for meatiness. Yeah, they know how to use textures for meatiness. The most common vegetables that they use when they want to cook vegetarian food like non-veg food is suran, that is elephant foot yam, फिर कच्चा केला या फिर कटहल, क्योंकि तीनों सब्जियां जो हैं they give that they are slightly fibrous, so they give you the feel of having something that's non-vegetarian. तो यही है जी बस. अभी तो बहुत ही सिंपल है. अभी इनको कर लिया फ्लैट. Slightly flatten it out. ठीक है ना? और मसाले में पानी डालने का हो गया टाइम, because the gravy is ready. That's it. और कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है इसमें. खाना बनाना वैसे भी कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं है. अभी इसको ज़्यादा ठंडा नहीं होने देना बस बनाना को. You have to be careful that the raw banana shouldn't get too cold. If it gets too cold, then the biggest problem is it won't press down like this. You are trying to slightly flatten it so it shallow fries well. वो चीज़ नहीं हो पाएगी अगर ये बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा हो गया था. Yeah? And see, because we are using not plantain but just actual raw banana, तो ये थोड़ा जो mushiness आ रही है ये उसकी वजह से आ रही है. अगर आप plantain यूज करेंगे तो ये दिक्कत नहीं होगी कभी, कभी भी नहीं होगी. Beautiful. I like the silence now. ग्रेवी जो है भुन भुन के जब शांत होके बैठ गई है. I like it like that. So अभी तो बहुत सिंपल है. बस यही करना है, अब तो कुछ भी नहीं है. And again, if the banana is slightly warm, it's better because the coating is going to stick to it. Because of the steam inside, जो बेसन की कोटिंग है वो अच्छे से चिपक जाएगी. ठीक है जी भाई, यही है और क्या. भाई हिंदी निकल आती है, लखनऊ वाले हम. लोग कहते हैं रणवीर आप अंग्रेजी में बोला करो. शुरू हम अंग्रेजी से करते हैं, फिर हमारी अंग्रेजी खत्म हो जाती है. Food has to be all fun and laughter, otherwise what is the point? See or no, puppy? Nice. So the gravy is ready, it just needs to reduce. And in the end, we're going to put a little bit of mint, some fresh coriander, and we're done. इतना ही है जी काम. This is good enough for, so 3 pieces to a portion. 1, 2, 3. 3 people. It's good enough for 6. Huh? तो अगर आप चाहें तो 3 केले भी ले सकते हैं. Beautiful. Nice. Almost done. Time to clean up the kitchen and we will get started again. Yeah, सफाई बहुत ज़रूरी है. And for everybody who's cooking along with the DIY kits, it's time to clean up the kitchen for you too. Beautiful. Let's quickly clean up. Alright, so once again, for everybody who's joined in late, this is Ranveer Brar and you are on WAP Online. And we are all here because we believe that together we can do greater good and end hunger. So please, please donate generously. All proceeds go to charity and all proceeds go to making a soup kitchen that ensures a lot of people who need food get food. All right. And we are back in business, all ready and clean. Beautiful. Let's go add a little. Beautiful. Let me swap gas ranges so you can see this better. ग्रेवी पीछे पकती रहेगी. ठीक है जी. अभी बहुत ही सिंपल है. अभी तो कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं. It's very simple. Nice. Like I said, please make sure don't leave your bananas out there without crumbing them while they're hot. वो part बहुत important. All right. At first I thought I'll wear an apron. फिर मुझे लगा यार अभी घर पे खाना बना रहे हैं. Everybody knows you're cooking at home. Why do you want to show off wearing an apron? So I thought I'll let that thought pass. Beautiful. Beautiful. Everybody with me? For people who are cooking along, if your bananas are not in the oil, then you're a little behind. Please try and keep pace. And the banana is already boiled, so it's not that you're like cooking the banana. You're just ensuring that it cooks enough to get a nice crust on top. That's about it. वो जो बेसन ऊपर लगाया है वो बेसन पक जाना चाहिए. डार्क ब्राउन नहीं करना है, लेकिन कम से कम 2-4 मिनट तो उसको देने हैं तेल में. So 2 मिनट अब शुरू होते हैं. And when we have these 2 minutes, it's a time for everybody else to catch up. People who are cooking along, and if you're not cooking along, these 2 minutes are the time when you can go to the WAP page again and donate to ensure that the cause that I'm standing here for and we at WAP stand together for gets met. Beautiful. And here we are. बस जब बेसन के भुनने की खुशबू आ जाए ना, तो समझ लीजिए कि अपना जो खाना है वो तैयार है. ठीक है. And the second lot. Nice. Beautiful. Done है जी. Have a closer look. और इसको मछली जो हम लोग बोल रहे थे बार बार, because if I were to tear into one, you see that? It's nice and fibrous like the fish. You know, this is the center bone of the fish. It's nice and fibrous. इसलिए इसको मछली बोल रहे थे. ऐसा लगता है कि वो बीच की हड्डी है और तो ये जो मसाला है इसको यहाँ तक लेके आना. देखिए, see the oil has come on top. That is a sign that a good Indian gravy is done. या रोगन ऊपर आ गया ना, ये देखिए, क्या मतलब ग्रेवी रेडी. गम तो नहीं इससे हमारी बर्बादियों की. मजा आ गया जी, मजा आ गया. भूख लग गई. So like I said, this is my family's dinner, and if you're cooking along with me, please let me know how did your family's dinner go. It's a unique recipe. It can easily be turned vegan. Na? So if you don't want to use yogurt, just use tomatoes. In that case, just add the spices and saute them with the onions before you add the tomato puree or fresh tomatoes chopped. Just make sure you added the spices before. दही के साथ में टमाटर जो है वो भुन जाता है. दही के साथ में मसाले जो है वो भुन जाते हैं. टमाटर के साथ में मसाले नहीं भुनते, इसलिए टमाटर से पहले मसाले भूनने पड़ते हैं, फिर टमाटर डालना पड़ता है. ठीक है जी, बस इतना ही फर्क है. एंड दैट्स इट. मछलियां भी रेडी हैं. Beautiful. So do a very, very simple home style plating. But before that, I'm going to just put some coriander. Roughly torn. Coriander का जो असली फ्लेवर है वो ऐसे ही आता है, roughly torn. और जो ग्रेवी है उसको हम ऐसे ही डाल लेते हैं प्लेट में। If you're thinking why didn't I use a deeper plate, this dish is supposed to be like a मसाला होना चाहिए, ये ग्रेवी नहीं होनी चाहिए, गाढ़ा मसाला होना चाहिए, तो इसलिए the gravy has to be nice and concentrated. That's why I did not use a deeper plate. Also, because I want to do a little bit of थोड़ा शो ऑफ भी करना था मेरे को, तो इसलिए भी ठीक है। कुछ नहीं छुपाया मैंने, सब बता दिया आपको, शो ऑफ के बारे में बता दिया। And here we are, ये लो जी फिश करी without fish. Fish curry, I always call this my favorite monkey on the mountain plating. So the servers have to really worry about how they're going to take it to the guest. प्लेट को देख के अगर वेटर को डर नहीं लगा तो इसका मतलब प्लेट में कुछ गड़बड़ है। And for all of you who are cooking it, you can plate it any way you want, dunk all of it in the gravy, you know, just dunk it in the gravy. Just mix it all up. Yeah, चपाती के साथ खा सकते हैं, चावल के साथ भी खा सकते हैं. Just have it with some good garlic bread if that's what works for you. But have it. If you're cooking along, you have 2 minutes to finish your dish. I'm going to be live with you now on Instagram. And remember, use these 2 minutes for a good cause. Donate.
एक कदम आगे फिर 2 कदम पीछे।
हेल्थ और टेस्ट की लड़ाई में अब आप रहिए 2 कदम आगे विद फिलिप्स एयर फ्रायर। इसकी ट्विन टर्बो स्टार टेक्नोलॉजी कुक्स विद अप टू 90% लेस फैट। देयर इज ऑलवेज अ वे टू मेक लाइफ बेटर। इनोवेशन एंड यू, फिलिप्स।